What's up guys, Austin from Billetworkz here. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of our Billetworkz shift knobs in a newer generation Mustang. This is for 2015 and up Mustangs, both the S550 and S650 generations. Of course, for the manual Mustangs. I'm going to show you here. We're going to install our gloss red short teardrop shape. This has the Coyote logos on the side, so let's get right into it. So of course, first step is removing the factory shift knob. Now these can be really tough to get off. I'm actually going to use a strap wrench to grab a hold of the knob to spin off. I'm just going to take our strap wrench here, and once you break that loose, and what's nice about the strap wrench is that since it's rubber, you're not going to damage the stock knob. Next step, I'm just going to take our bag of hardware here. I'm going to thread down the jam nut first. I'll just thread it down the whole way, and then thread down our insert. And then I'm going to take our 17 and our 19 millimeter wrench. The 19 will go on the jam nut, the 17 on the insert, and I'm just going to tighten these two together. They don't need to be crazy tight. Then I'm going to take our shift knob and thread it down. And now chances are the engraving is going to be crooked. So as you can see here, it's almost 180 degrees off. So what we need to do is spin the shift knob back off. And now the reason why we tighten these two together is because you don't want this insert to get stuck inside of the knob. Now that I know that we're about 180 degrees off, I'm going to loosen the jam nut. Then I'm going to spin the insert about 180 degrees. I'm going to hold the insert still and then tighten the jam nut back up against the insert. And again, we'll snug that up. I'm pretty close. I'm a little too far now, so I'm going to actually spin the insert back a tiny bit. So I mean, it's just a super small amount. Now, of course, this may just take a few tries, but it actually looks about perfect there. So now that we've finished the install, as you can see, we went with our gloss red short teardrop shape with the Coyote engravings on the sides. Now, our short teardrop is a perfect shape to function with the factory reverse lockout. This is what we recommend if you don't want to upgrade or change out any other components. But yeah, if you have any other questions, drop a comment on the video below or send us an email. We'll see you next time.